Hello everyone, this is Miss Lena. I'm from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Welcome to my channel today. I'm going to do a lemon garlic chicken rice, okay? And I'm going to read my scripture first, and then I'm going to show you what ingredients that I'll be using. It's coming from Proverbs 10 and verse 25. When the storms has swept by, the wicked are gone, but the righteous standeth firm forever. Thank you so much. Proverbs 10 and 25. Okay, I will be using rice-a-roni, chicken rice-a-roni. Okay, now you can also buy the chicken rice-a-roni with the garlic in it, but I didn't have the garlic. I just have just the regular chicken rice-a-roni. So I'm going to be using. I have like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, real lemon juice. I have like a bell pepper and also red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers and the red bell peppers and green bell peppers, okay? And I'll be using also paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and a little table salt. And that's all I'll be putting on. So I'm going to have to. Now, this is the raw chicken. I had 4 chicken breasts, and I chopped them up in small pieces. So now I'm going to be putting on my ingredients. So now I have 4 chicken breasts already chopped up in small pieces, okay? And I'm going to be putting on my black pepper, garlic powder, okay?
Why you pause?
And I'm, all right. Next is my onion powder. Okay. Next is the black pepper. Okay. Not that much. Okay. And a little bit of table salt. And my paprika, which is right here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, y'all, she putting the bell peppers in.
I'm going to give just a little bit of it. Get just a little bit hot so I can put the chicken in. It's beginning to get hot just a little bit. Okay. Okay.
We'll be back once it's brown.
Okay, it's getting brown now, so I'm going to be pouring the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in. Okay. All right, I'm going to stir that just a little bit. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of chicken broth in and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And then I'll be pouring it into the rice. Okay. I have my chicken broth right here right now. And I'm going to be pouring the chicken broth in.
Yeah, she already had cooked the rice-a-roni according to the recipe of the box of the rice-a-roni.
Okay. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'll be back shortly. I'm going to put it into the rice-a-roni. So thank you. Be back shortly. Rice-a-roni already ready. So I'm getting ready to pour it in to the rice-a-roni. Okay. Okay. Let me turn the fry out first. Okay. I'm going to be holding it from this direction so everybody can see. Uh-oh. Okay. Now this is a one meal dish that's made with the rice Roni. Now you can put more broth in it if you'd like. I do have a little bit more I can put in it, but I don't want it too much juice in it. And then you put your and if you like, you can add more broth in it, or you can just have it. All right, this is another finishing for my. This is have to do with my rice. This is the rice and chicken breast casserole.
Rice-a-roni.
Rice-a-roni and chicken casserole. So it's very good, and I made it from fresh chicken breast, also skinless frozen. So this is very good. So I'm gonna let the children taste this also. Just a second. Okay. Well, Micah got a little bit left from the other time, so.
How it taste?
1 to 10.
10.
All right. Michael said 1 to 10, but I gave it 10. You want to taste it, Simone?
Yes. Malachi said, I'm not coming.
Okay, come on.
Hurry up. I'm coming.
Come on, Malachi, please, and taste the rice. I know you like rice, so come on. Taste the rice.
Yeah, it's so good. It's so good.
Lemon. It's a lemon. It's a lemon rice. A lemon chicken rice. That's what it is. Okay, you loved it. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, you all. These are just one meal dishes that you can fix very quickly. And I thank you all of my subscribers, all of my members, everybody that's all my channel things that's around. I sure appreciate you watching, and I hope you will enjoy this. Hey.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Share.
Comment.
And
Press all.
See you later.